Welcome back to Writing Boys and Girls. We are going to start a new unit in writing, and our new unit is a small moment unit. And small moment writing is when you think of one thing that you did and you stretch it out, stretch that small moment out across your pages to talk about that one time you did something. So today we're just going to think about things that we can use for a small moment story. Think about one time that you did something that you can stretch out, and after we get those ideas, we'll practice it on our fingers. So first, I just want to read an example of what a short small moment story looks like, just in a real book, and then we will practice our own small moment stories. So this one is called Joshua by the Sea, and it's by Angela Johnson, and it's illustrated by Rhonda Mitchell. We gotta remember to talk about that illustrator. So here we go. I am Joshua in the sun, sand, and by the sea. I am Joshua with Mama and Daddy beside me, under the umbrella, seagulls, and blue sky. Beside my sister on the rocks up high. I am Joshua running free. I am Joshua by the sea. So it's a short story about one visit to the sea, and he just talked about what he did first and next and last. We're going to be using those words when we write, or when we tell our story at least. So right now, I want you to just maybe think about one place that you have gone to. Could be your grandma's house. It could be an aunt's house. It could be maybe if you went to go get pizza. Or maybe you went to visit a friend. Think about that. Everybody think right now about one place that maybe you've visited. Okay, I'm thinking of a place. I'm thinking of my daughter's house. I sometimes will take a ride over there. And so I'm going to think of just one thing. And what a person does when they are writing a small moment story is they think about what they did first, next, and last. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that. And your target will be to think of one thing you did and think about what you did first, next, and last. So I'm going to choose when I go to my daughter's house. I could say that I think about going to my daughter's house, and when I go there, we like to go on a hike. So I'm going to say, first, I drove to my daughter's house. Then we went for a walk with her dog. And then we went back to her house and sat and visited. So that's what I did. It was a small, simple story. It's true. It's what I really did. And I talked about what I did first, next, and last. Okay, so today you're going to think of something that you did, maybe a place that you went to that helps you, and that helps you think of an idea. And then I want you to tell your story on your fingers. What did you do first, next, and last? And then I want you to tell it to a partner. So at home, tell it to your grown-up or a brother or a sister that is home with you. At school, you're going to tell it to a person that's your partner in writing. And then we'll start looking the next day about how we will write these on our pages. And we'll be using books like this to say what happened first, what happened next, and what happened last. So today your target is just think about one thing that you did, maybe a place that you went. Think about it in your head, tell it across your fingers, and tell it to a partner for practice. Have fun telling your story, boys and girls. I can't wait to hear what it's about.